How to build a business development funnel. There are 6 critical steps you need to follow to build the perfect business development funnel. I'm going to share all 6 of those steps with you. And at the end of our time together today, I'm going to share with you the key to success, the one thing you need to do. If you don't do this one thing, the whole system falls apart. So make sure you stay with me all the way to the end of our time together as I share with you the key to success. You don't want to miss that. Okay, let's get right into the content right now. Step number 1, you want to go to your ideal client and see what qualities that client possesses and then identify other prospects that have those same qualities as your ideal client. Now, these people aren't prospects just yet. They're suspects because you suspect that if you can engage these folks, they will be the ideal client for you. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your ideal client and you're going to look for clients that are easy to work with, clients that you have a friction-free relationship with, clients who make it fun to come to work every day. That's the first thing you're going to look for. The second thing you're going to look for are clients who are compliant. Find clients who do what you say they should do. Find clients who give you everything you need in order to achieve the results they want and the results that will make you successful in the work that you're doing with them. So easy, compliant, and then finally, you want clients who are profitable. Don't look for more clients who are not profitable or only slightly profitable. If you're taking all the trouble to build a business development funnel, you want clients that are easy, compliant, and profitable. That's step 1 in this process. Identify those ideal clients. Step 1 in building your business development funnel. Step number 2, target these clients in groups. Look, I know you're out there and you're thinking to yourself, hey, I can go to 3 networking events a week, and at each networking event I can connect with somebody who may be a good client. If you signed up all 3 of those people, it still wouldn't be worth your time. You've got to use leverage. You've got to target clients in groups. And here's what you're going to do. If you're in the business-to-business space, you're in B2B sales, you want to target trade associations. You want to target associations where your ideal clients go and they hang out with other people who are just like them. And when you target these trade associations, you're not targeting them for networking. You're targeting them to go and speak to those groups or to create videos just like this one and distribute those videos to those groups as learning and development tools. If you're in business to consumer space, you market right to consumers, you're going to go to groups and associations that are full of your referral sources. So when you're targeting groups, you're either looking for groups or associations that contain your ideal client, or you're looking for groups or associations that contain your ideal referral sources. Now, what do you do when you find these groups? You pitch yourself to deliver impactful training seminars. Even short 30-minute, 45-minute speeches are effective. Why do you want to do that? Because when you're in front of these groups, you're going to enhance your credibility, and it's also a lead generation opportunity. And how do you generate leads when you're in front of the room? I'm going to share that with you in step 3. Here's step 3 in how to build a business development funnel. You need to engage the people that you're targeting once you get in front of them in groups. How do you engage them? You offer a honeypot. What's a honeypot? It could be a free report. It could be a white paper. It could be a video course. It could be a series of videos. It could be a ticket to an educational event. The idea is that by offering people who are in a large group something for free that's valuable, but it's also an educational information product that engages them, by offering this to them, the people who accept that offer are immediately interested, and they go from people you suspect might be great clients to prospects. If they're interested, they have one of the 4 qualifying characteristics that you're looking for. So once you get in front of them as a group, you want to engage them by making an offer of a free information product. That's called a honeypot. You want to offer your honeypot to this group of people so that those folks who are interested can identify themselves. Why do we care if in business development we're talking to people who are interested? Because people who are interested buy and people who are not interested don't buy. We only want to talk to people who are interested. That's step 3, engage people using your honeypot. Step number 4, qualify the people who opt in. So anybody who accepts your offer of a free information product, they decide, hey, listen, I wanted to get that free report, or I want to opt into that free video course. Anybody who does that should get a phone call from you or a member of your business development team. And on that phone call, you're going to figure out if they have the ability to make a decision. They have to have the authority to spend their budget, right? They have to have the ability to make a decision. They have to have a problem you can solve, and they have to have money. They have to be able to pay you. The ability to make a decision, a problem you can solve, and money. But the 4th thing is urgency. So if they have the first 3 and they don't have urgency, I'm going to show you what to do with those folks. If they have all 4 and you're on the phone with them, you immediately try to sell them your product, which will take away the problem that they have, okay? They've told you they got a problem you can solve. You got to take the problem away from them. You got to help them with that problem. That's the solution that you have. You offer the solution immediately. If they don't have the urgency to do business with you now, you move on to step 5. And step 5 is nurture them. So they have money, they have the ability to make a decision, they have a problem you can solve, they're just not ready to buy yet. That's fine. You're going to hit them each week with a weekly email newsletter, or even more frequently, if you want to, you can distribute your podcast daily to them, or you can share videos with them each day. You want to nurture them, stay in frequent communication at least each week with them until they buy or until they die. Nurturing them is critical. Every 4th or 5th communication you have with them, you're going to move on now to step 6, and that's make a gateway offer. What's a gateway offer? A gateway offer is a product or a service that immediately solves their problem that's very easy for them to opt in for you to use with them. So make it easy to do business with them. It's the start of your relationship. It's not the end. You're not selling a multi-million-dollar product here. You're selling a $3,000 product. You're selling a product that immediately helps relieve some of the pain, immediately delivers value, and it's the beginning of your relationship. So that's your 6-step business development funnel. I promised you a key to success. Now I'm going to deliver that key to success. It is, you must make this entire process brain dead simple for your business development team to follow. And how do you do that? You make it a system. Now, I gave you in the last 7 minutes, I just gave you the 6 steps, but you're thinking to yourself, Dave, I got those 6 steps, but you say those 6 steps every day, dozens and dozens of times a day. You know them by heart. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to implement this with my sales team. I've got a gift for you. Go to revenueroadmapguide.com, revenueroadmapguide.com. That is a revenue roadmap report that outlines this entire system in enormous detail, huge detail. Then at the end, it has a questionnaire. You fill in that questionnaire and it customizes the system for you and your team. Go to Revenue Roadmap Guide right now, get your system, and that will be your business development funnel. You want to discover more information about business development, you want to learn scripts, tricks, tips, and tactics, watch the next video in this series. Go right below me right now, scroll right down there, click on the video right there that you see below, click that link right there, click that video right there, and I'll see you in our next video.